Hello everybody, this is Chris with One Invent. I'm going to show you how to create a custom thread with a tapered end. I basically use them for 3D prints and other things where I can't use the threads that are built into the program, so I have to make my own. And I'm going to try to make it quick. So let's jump right in. We got to create a sketch, okay, and I always work in millimeters, so we're going to make a circle that's 20 millimeters. And then we're going to extrude that 20 millimeters up. So we have a cylinder. And then we're going to take a coil from the middle. And we're going to go to 23. That should hug it just perfect. We want to make sure on the coil options the type is height and pitch. The diameter is 23 like I said. The height is -18. And the pitch is -4, and we want to make sure the section is on triangular external, the section position is on center, and we want the section size to be around 3. And I like to bring it to the front, make sure everything's good. And then instead of join, we're going to create a new body because we need to mess with these threads without it being attached. So then what we're going to do is we're going to go to construct, plane at an angle, go to the origin on the y-axis, click that, go back to the front. We're going to tilt it up 90 degrees. So 90 minus 4 is 86. So we're going to take our split body tool and make sure that is hidden so we don't cut it too. And then splitting the tool with the angle there. And we're going to take out a few of these sections. So it's 16, 17, and 19. We're going to just remove them front. And then we're going to combine, make it one part again, and then show the cylinder again. So I usually like to take that other plane out. Now we're going to construct, plane at an angle. Go back to the y-axis of the origin again. And now we're going to do -4 on the angle. And just right click, create sketch. We want to line this up so that we can start a 2-point circle right at this edge. Doesn't have to be perfect. And we also want to be inside of this circle right here. You don't want to be on the outside, but just inside. You can make it any size you want here. I prefer to have it a little bit bigger. So that's good right there. It doesn't have to be perfect. And then what we need to do now is go to solid, select sweep, and the path of the sweep is going to be right here, the sketch. Okay, and then we want to hit join, and that is the finished thread. It doesn't have to be absolutely perfect, but you can get it perfect if you want to slice it right on the middle line of the thread. But that is it. So if you enjoyed the video, please subscribe, and we look forward to making some more.